Welcome back, student. In this session, I am going to discuss last property. So, property number 6 says that 0 to 2a fx dx that is equal to 2 times 0 to a fx dx if f to a minus x equal to fx and 0 if f to a minus x is equal to minus x. So proof of this property is we know a to c fx dx that is equal to a to b fx dx plus b to c fx dx. Let me write LHS of this, that means 0 to 2a fx dx that is equal to 0 to a fx dx plus a to 2a fx dx. Now what I am going to write this as, here I am going to put x equal to 2a minus t, so this implies dx equal to minus dt. I have differentiate this one. Now lower limit for lower limit, here this is limit for x and I want to change into t, so in place of x I am going to write a that is equal to 2a minus t. From here t equal to a, upper limit, here upper limit for x is 2a, so I am going to put x equal to 2a here, 2a that is equal to 2a minus t, that implies t equal to 0. So this whole things becomes 0 to 2a fx dx that is equal to 0 to a fx dx plus what I am going to write in place of x, that is 2a minus t f 2a minus t, and in place of dx minus dt. And limit for t, lower limit is a, this one upper limit is 0. Again rewriting this one, 0 to 2a fx dx that is equal to 0 to a fx dx minus sign this one, a to 0 f of 2a minus t into dt. Now we know a to b fx dx equal to लिमिट b to a fx dx. क्या किया यहाँ पर, लिमिट चेंज कर दी, लिमिट जब चेंज कर दी अपर लोअर लोअर अपर तो माइनस साइन आ गया, तो यहाँ पर उस लिमिट का यूज करें इस जगह, तो क्या हो जाएगा फंक्शन 0 to 2a fx dx दैट इज इक्वल टू 0 to a fx dx, दिस बिकम प्लस, लिमिट चेंज हो जाएगा 0 to a f of 2a minus t into dt. One property, again use property, that is change of variable has no effect, that means a to b fx dx that is equal to a to b ft dt. So here in place of t I am going to write x, so this whole thing becomes 0 to 2a fx dx that is equal to 0 to a fx dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Now this one is your equation 1. Suppose this one is your equation 1. Let f 2a minus x equal to fx. तब ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसमें रखो दिस, इसकी जगह हम क्या रख सकते हैं fx, तो क्या हो जाएगा 0 to 2a fx dx that is equal to this one 0 to a fx dx plus 0 to a fx dx. That means 0 to 2a fx dx, that is nothing but addition of this 2, that is 2 times 0 to a fx dx. कब होगा? ये होगा when f2a minus x equal to fx. और equation 1 will be when, अब क्या हम लिखें, when f2a minus x equal to minus fx, then first becomes क्या हो जाएगा, then equation first क्या हो जाएगा, 0 to a fx dx, that is equal to 0 to a fx dx, दूसरा क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस fx हो जाएगा, 0 to a fx dx, that means 0.